I answer to the basic HTML and CSS questions in my own words. Question number one. What is the difference between a div and a span? One would you use is the difference between div tag and span tag is div tag is a block level element and span tag is a inline element. Div tag is for grouping larger section or splitting layouts, and span tag is for styling in targeting small pieces or text of inline element. Question number 2. What is the CSS box model? Explain content, padding, border, and margin. The CSS box model is layout model that describes how every HTML element is displayed as a rectangular box. It consists of four parts: content, border, margin, and padding. Suppose you have a box. This box have something information. This information is a content such as text, image, button. Padding adds space inside the border. The border surround the content and padding, and margin creates space outside the border between elements. Question number 3. What is the difference between a CSS class and an ID? When should you use one over the other? Class is used to style or target multiple elements, while an ID is used for one unique element on a page. In CSS classes, class is selected with a dot, and ID is selected with a hash. Class is reusable and is the preferred choice for styling. Whereas ID should be reserved for unique elements, page anchors, or or specific JavaScript targets. Question number 4. What is the Question number 4. What is flexbox and what's the difference between justify content and align items? Flexbox is a one-dimensional layout system used for arranging items in a row or column. It provides an easy way to build flexible and responsive layouts. Justify content aligns flagged items along the main axis, while align items align them along the cross axis. With the default flag selection row, justify content controls horizontal alignment, and align items controls vertical alignment. Question number 5. What is the difference between position, relative, absolute, and fixed in CSS? Position relative keeps an element in the normal document flow and moves it relative to its original position. Position absolute removes an element from the normal flow and position it relative to the nearest positioned ancestor. Position fixed also removes the element from the normal flow but positions it relative to the browser viewport, so it remains in the same place while scrolling.